I supervise the police, the fire, the Bureau of Jail Management, the Commission on Women, on Youth, the Commission on Filipinos, and also Local Government Academy, Public Safety College, and NAPOLCOM. NAPOLCOM is the National Police Commission, and all cases against the police, I'm the one who heads it. So my department, okay, I'm sorry. Okay. My department is so broad, it's very broad. Lahat po ng problema, halos kailangan nandun ako parati. Okay. Unang-una, why am I in Indonesia at that time? Because as you very well know, meron tayong mga wanted persons. You know? And number one, why are we here in Dubai right now? I was here 10 months ago, and then I attended the United Nations in Vienna about crimes. And when I was there, sad to say, there are serious concerns about online sexual exploitation of children. I'm talking of materials. And one of those that has great problems about it is our country of Pilipinas. Hindi ho biro, yung mga kinukulang litrato. And so I gave a talk, and I told them, we're going to take care of this in our country, but I was encouraging other countries to pass a law. Kasi biktima na nga, ang dapat parusahan, yung nanonood, yung consumers. For them to encourage other countries to pass laws like Australia, na kung sino manonood ito, ipakulong. Dapat ganon. And at this point, I think, is Portia here? General Manalat? Wala. Okay, parating siya. Ngayon, ganito po yun. Why am I here? I'm here because the UAE helped us. Si Lieutenant General Dana, she is with the Minister of the Interior of Sheikh Saif. Napakabalik po nila sa atin. Napakabalik. Immediately when they learned of this, nag-meeting po kami, and they gave us trainings, programs, and even donated 15 artificial intelligence. 15 artificial intelligence program for this program. Why am I here right now? We have documented cases of 120 children, young girls. The youngest is 9 years old. 10 years old, 11, sexually exploited by this person. Hindi ko na ako sasabihin yung probinsya, pero karamihan sa norte. Karamihan ng mga bata. And if you're going to look at the smile of these children, talagang manggigigil kayo sa galit. Paano nangyari ito? Meron na siyang Facebook page, uutuin yung mga bata to register. And once they register, papatungan niya ng mga sexually explicit yung picture. So yung bata maproprotesta. Ang gagawin niya, kung gusto mong tanggalin ito, if you want me to remove this, you go to my place. Dadahasaan niya yung bata. And then tatakutin, uulit-ulitin. Marami po sila rito, 120 children. At marami pang binibiktima. Nung na-trace namin, tinawagan ako ni Portia. I contacted my friend, Sheikh Saif is a good man. The minister, His Excellency His Royal Highness, of the Minister of the Interior Local Government of the UAE. And he referred me to the Interpol in Singapore. And they were able to arrest dito po sa Dubai yung taong yun. And he is a Filipino. So, by Thursday, kaya ako babalik dito, I'm going to thank the President of UAE, their government, for really helping us. And I'm going to bring this back, this sexual predator to the Philippines to face justice. Dapat makulong at mapulok sa kulungan ng mga tao. So, ganito po ang buhay ko ng ilang linggo. Yung una, nagpunta kami, I was in Naga. I was giving out ang tubig kasi sa atin, basta umulan. The waters are up to this level, lalo na sa Naga and parts of Kamsul. May mga taga-Bicol ba ho dito? Meron, pakitaas nga ang kamay. Wow, marami pa ng Bicol na, ano. Yun, medyo umuulan po ka talaga. So, it's La Nina now, and La Nina is, there's so much quantity of water, no? So, we are experiencing 1 to 3 typhoons every month. Ganun po katindi. No? So I was there at 7 in the morning, I woke up at 4, and then I went to Kamsu, and then I received a phone call from Chief Marbil telling me, Secretary, we must go to Indonesia now. Why? Because they were able to catch Alice Go. Alice Go. So ang deadline is 1 o'clock in the morning. I must go there. Otherwise, papakawalan lang nila si Alice Go. They won't release her. Because technically, she has no case. No. Her only case is a contempt in the Senate. She has no criminal case at that time. So she will be released. So imagine, at 10, I have to find a private jet so that we could immediately go back to Indonesia. So we were able to go to the Manila. However, our flight was delayed. We were able to leave at 11.